After I got my first child, I noticed a big change in my life that pulled me into a severe depression, anxiety, panic attack, all the stuff that made me feel a totally different person. I went to the point that I take 3 different medicine in the same day, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one to be able to sleep. I wasn't myself. But in the meantime, I just went to my Instagram. Then I found TMS and I just passed it. I just keep scrolling. And then it went back, another ad. I said, whoa, maybe this is a signal. And then I found out that TMS can help with my depression. So I reached out by a message through Instagram. And the next day, Gabby reached out to me. And I was like, is that happening? It just, oh my gosh, it was just like a hope, that little light growing inside of me, like, I think it's for me. That was on Wednesday. By Friday, I was in my first treatment of TMS. I was surprised because with my insurance, I didn't think it would be possible. Gary and the whole team worked so hard. They called the insurance, they talked with the insurance, and then everything works out. The treatment, I feel scared at the beginning because it's a big, huge machine just putting a little arm on me, but it feels no pain at all. It was, I remember, 26, 28 minutes process. It feels comfortable. I remember Dr. Pardell told me, this is not gonna be overnight treatment. But then at the third day, I wake up with energy and I was in shock in a good way because I say, this is really working. And I say, I want more of this. I want another day like this. And while I was doing the treatment, and every time I was feeling better and better, I started seeing more smiling faces in my house, more joy in my kids, more joy in myself. Clearwave is a life change for me. If you feel hopeless, if you feel sad, that was the way I was feeling. And I want everybody knows this TMS treatment really works. It's a life change for me, for my family, for my kid, for everybody around me. And I hope many people can see this is real, this is life, this is something that can heal you for real, for good, and can give you your life back.